Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok network problem on any iPhone and on any Android device, so make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also comment down below if you have any questions around this video, or if you want us to cover another topic, another issue that you're facing in one of the future videos. We'll try to make a video on that within a week. So the first thing you want to do if you have the TikTok network problem is just go on TikTok and just close the app, swipe up, close the app. That's the first thing you can do, and just open it again. This is the first thing you can do. If this doesn't help, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner on TikTok. Go to clear cache and disable that, and then click on data saver and enable data saver. So if you don't have a lot of data, you can actually have low resolution videos and actually consume content on the app itself. The next thing you can do is go on settings and make sure that you're not on airplane mode, and your mobile data and cellular data here is set on, and that you aren't using a VPN. Actually, a lot of people that have issues are using a VPN to spoof their geolocation to, have better results if they're in a lower tier country. The next thing you can do is go in general and update your iPhone or Android device, because chances are if it's a known issue, a known error with an app or something or with an API, this will fix it. The next thing you can do is actually go on iPhone storage, or on Android device, go to apps and then find the app. Let's find the app, TikTok. You want to offload the app, which will basically clear everything, reset everything. And another thing you can do, if none of that helps, is just go on your settings on your iPhone device, go down to TikTok. It's on an A to Z order, so it should be somewhere around here. Click on TikTok and make sure mobile data is on, background app refresh is on. That should fix most of the issues you can have. If the video helped you out, give it a like. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you're still having any questions, just comment them down below. We'll try to get back to them ASAP. And if you're one of the committed people that managed to watch the video all the way until the end, let me know down below by commenting which country are you watching this video from. See you next video. Bye.